Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the surface area of pyramids. So the formula is the surface area equals the area of the base plus the area of all the lateral faces, which is like the sides. So I just rewrote it like in simpler terms. So it's the area of the bottom plus the area of the sides. So first we're going to find the area of the bottom and the area of one of the sides. Then we'll take that one side and you'll multiply the number you get, this should say by, oh no, the number you get for one side by the number of sides that there are. So whatever you get for one side, if there's 3 sides, then you'll take that times 3, and then you'll multiply that number you get plus the area of the base together. So I'm going to go over that, obviously. So that might be a little bit confusing now. So we need to find the area of the base. Okay, so the area of the base, so that's this triangle right here, the triangle that's on the bottom. So if you notice, the bottom is 6 feet, and then they said the height was 5.2. So remember, area equals 1/2 base times height, or area equals 0.5 base times height. So I'm going to take 0.5 times 6 times 5.2. So 0.5 times 6 times 5.2, and I get area equals 15.6, and then it's feet squared. So that's just the area of just the base. So that's the area of the base. Then I need to find the area of the sides. So the area of the sides. Okay, so let's look at just this side right here. So it's 10 feet. And then the bottom is still going to be 6 feet. So I'm going to have area equals, again, it's a triangle, so 0.5, let's put these in parentheses, times 10 times 6. So then when I multiply those, I'm going to get the area equals 30 feet squared. Okay, so this right here is the area for one side. Okay, so if I look up here, this thing has 3 sides. So the area of the 3 sides altogether would be 30 times 3, which is going to give me 90 feet squared. Okay, so then I'm going to take, so this is my area of the sides, and then I had the area of the base was 15.6. So my area altogether is going to be 15.6 plus 90, which is going to give me 105.6 feet squared. That's my final answer. I should probably make this too a little bit smaller. There we go. All right, so the next one, so we have the area of the base, and so here they're already giving you the area of the base. So sometimes they're already going to give you that. So we don't even have to find that. So that's the area of the base. So now we just need to find the area of the sides. So then if I draw my triangle, its height is 12 and its base is 5. So I have area equals 0.5 times 12 times 5. So when I multiply those 3 things, I should get 30. 0.5 times 12 times 5. Yep. You get 30 meters squared. And then there are how many sides? So if we look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So if I take 30 times 6, that's going to give me 180 meters squared. So now I'm going to add together this number here for the area of the sides and then my area of the base. So I'm going to take 180 plus 65. So that would give me 245 meters squared. So this is my final answer. All right, so for the last one, so we need to find the area of the base first because they didn't give us that. So you can tell the base here is a square. So it's 4.5 or 4.5 by 4.5. So my area, I'm just going to multiply those two, is 4.5 times 4.5. So I take 4.5 times 4.5. So my area is going to equal 20.25 meters squared. So then I'm going to find the area of the sides. So the area of the sides, so I have a triangle, and this is 4 meters, and my base is 4.5. So my area equals 0.5 times 4 times 4.5. So 0.5 times 4 times 4.5. So my area is going to equal 9 meters squared. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So I'm going to take 9 times 4. So that gives me 36 meters squared. So here's my area, surface area of my sides, and here's the surface area of the bottom. So it was 20.25 plus 36. So that would give me 56.25 meters squared. There you go.